I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining. Cool. Alright, so if you couldn't tell, this is not scripted or really planned in any way, but I have to get it done, because, well, today's the day, so, yeah. So, because I haven't really finished anything, like, major for the Batsuit, I thought I'd just kind of show you what I've done so far. So I guess we'll start with what I think is the coolest part, at least, which is the armored section. This isn't a very good example, but you can look at it anyway. It's pretty cool. It's 3D printed, obviously. But what the cool part about this is this is a bad example, but hold on, give me a second. Well, basically that's what they're gonna look like, except they won't be purple, because, well, why would it be purple? Anyway, so it's kind of like, well, let me get closer. There you go. So basically, what's happening is, this is pleather, the cool stuff. This is not pleather, the kind of cool stuff. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain it more than that. It's just, it looks like this, except it won't be purple. Oh wait. Alright, so this is the ab. This is like the ab bit. Should probably explain that. That'd be pretty useful. So this is the ab. Like the very bottom ab. This is the very top ab. No pleather. And then this, like, where's the here we go. This one's got a bit of pleather in it. Hold on, give me a second. They will be glued in, but it still needs to be painted, so it'll kinda go like this. Hold on. Give me a second. Give me one pretty long second. Alright. Damn it. Nah, it doesn't matter. Alright, so they'll be stacked. Okay, these are opposite sides. That does not help. Whatever, it doesn't matter. But they'll be stacked up and it'll look pretty cool. And then this is the pec. I don't have... Oh, no, yes I do. Hold on. That's the pec. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's what I've got done kinda so far. We have the, you get little arm brackets for the arms. These are going... These are going to be attached to the gauntlets with, bit of like elastic strap, which goes into these little holes there. I don't know if you can see them very well, but so that's what they do. There's gonna be another one on the other side, so that it kind of makes like a full gauntlet thing, but haven't printed or modeled those yet. Probably the coolest part that I think is, well, okay, well, I think the abs are the coolest part, but second coolest is this, the utility belt. It's not done, obviously, it's not a belt. But, it kind of clicks together by just comes apart like that, and then you just kind of, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Don't know if you can see, but, oh, sorry about that. We get really close. There's little big grooves on the stuff. I might change the logo. I'm not too happy with it, but we'll see. We'll see. So that is all I've got so far. Oh wait, hold on. There is a part, this little bit here. Get really close, hold on. So this part here is, it's like a little hook, so that you can like take the pouches on and off. See if I can find one. One sec. I don't think I have one. Oh wait, no, here we go, I got one. Alright, so basically this has a little hook. This is upside down, hold on. I dropped it, damn it. Alright, so this has a little hook on it. This little thing goes into this little thing, which is again upside down. Well, basically, that doesn't matter. That is a car, and yeah, if you couldn't already tell, this kind of just slides on in. Pretty cool. Yeah, there we go. So there'll be multiple, obviously. There's more than one pouch. But yeah, that's all I really have for the time being. Yeah. Next month's video will probably be like a life-size plush trap. Probably. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Yeah.